So in this episode, we're going to be building part 1-01, left-hand side beam of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. So let's start building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So go file, new. It's going to be template mmg, so it's in millimeters. So we create a template for that. And we're going to be working on the 1-1 left-hand side beam. So we go in the front view, normal 2, and then actually, if this goes straight to sketch, it does normal 2 automatically. So it just happened to me doing that all the time. So we want to create L shape. So make sure it's MMG. Yep, that's perfect. So let me just go smart. Nope, line. Start here, up. Make sure it's parallel. We can always adjust it later. So we want like a C shape. Sorry, not L shape. I think it's L, didn't I? And there we go. Beautiful. Yeah, that one. So we want this line and this line to be parallel. Oop. Okay, this dot parallel. There we go. Okay, now it's going to be 25.5 across. So smart dimension, 25.5, and it's going to be 51 up. Line, I should have done line there, so that's fine. Let me just do 51 up, zoom out. Now I'm going to redo this one. So I have to redo it later, so I might do it now while I think of it. Do this line, because we're going to put a curve on here, you can affect it later, although we will be using the we'll be doing it differently. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do the curve. So that's 25.5. Do the chamfer. So, okay, now this is going to be 3, I believe. Yes, it is. It's going to be 3 mil. That's going to be 3 mil. And this line to this line is going to be 3 mil. That should be everything. So I should not be able to move anything. So that's good. Okay, so we're going to do 2 different ways. I'm going to show you how to do this using sketching. I'm going to show you this one doing something using the chamfer. So one way you can do it, and this is a little bit longer this way, but never hurts to know different ways. So there we go. Just move curves back and forth till you get the one you want. Click on this line there, there, and there. Beautiful. Okay, so that's going to be 3 mil. This one is going to be 1.5 mil. Now these 2 pixels, or vertices, sorry, is going to be horizontal, and vertical. And these 2 are going to be horizontal. Just do the same for these, just so that way it doesn't go out of whack. Now. Save is fine, that's fine. Okay, let me just undo that one because it's locked up there. That one wasn't locked up. Okay, see, it's got the coincident, so that's already done. Okay, so I want this one to make coincident. These 2 here make coincident. There we go. Now we go to trim that one, and trim that one, and there it is. Now, yeah, that's a good. Press escape just out of what you just had. So those 2, and this vertex to this vertex is there. Okay, so it's over fine, so it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to leave this one square for now, but now we're going to do extrude, and this is. Let me have a look over here. This is 1575. But we're going to do blind. It's going to go mid-plane. So 1,575 long and done. There we go. See how, ooh, let me just go blink. There we go. See how that is curved as square. Now you saw how much, it didn't take a lot of work, but just takes a little bit of work. But now if we go to fillet, click on that edge and type in, what was it, 3, then OK. There you go. Is exact same one. So this corner one, fillet 1.5 and done. So now we want to normalize. There you go. Exact same thing. So then that is there and that is there. So that's perfect. So that's what we want. Now before I do anything else, let's save this as 1-01. Might see I already got one saved there, but I started doing it. I realized I had this thing down here wrong. So there is a video I've done how to change that setting. So yeah, 8 inches. So I'm going to override that one. Yes. Now, also we're going to also just save a little bit of time. We're going to go save as 1-02. And that one's done. Okay. We just close that down. I want to open up 101. We're going to do that one first. There it is. Beautiful. Okay. Now, at the end of this, let me go there. Beautiful. Down the end of here, we're going to do some slicing, which is going to be, let me just zoom in a bit. So let's go to this plane, the outside plane. So that one there. Can do that one, but then you've got to do 2 different directions, which I'll show you in a minute. Let me just normalize that again. Oh. Come on. Hello, let me get out of that. There we go. It's been a pain in the butt. And sketch. Now this is going to be staying this dot here. We want a line. Make sure you grab this one here, not that one. You want this one there up to, so it reaches the top, that corner, and down again and close. Now, smart dimension, we want this line, the line that lined up with that dot we started with this angle line. Now we've got a percentage. That's going to be 30%. See? That stayed on there. That's why I had clicked on there. If you didn't have click on that, it would have moved up or down. Most likely down. Okay, so there we go. Feature, extrude cut. Through all. Now, if I'd done it on this face here, I'd have to do a direction 2 as well. So it goes through. So if you've done it there, we've gone that way, then got to do direction 2 that way. So it's done. It's not a lot of work to do that. So if you happen to do the wrong plane, that's no big deal. There we go. We have got that done. So that is the angle cut. Now, we need to start doing holes. We might do this one first, actually. So go to normal. I'm going to start down here. Edit. Or create sketch, sorry. Just slide my thingamajig over. So we're going to have 2 holes. So, actually, we're going to do, exit out of the sketch. We're going to do hole wizard. It pops up. And it's going to be just a simple hole. It's going to be 5, which is already set that, perfect. And it's going to be blind, or through. I'm going to put through. I've phased through. Well, there is a difference. I just can't remember what it is. So, now let's go position. We clicked that one to highlight. Now 1 and 2. Now smart dimension. These two are 25 apart. Down here to the bottom is 13. And it's going to be 13 in. No big deal. Do that one, that one. Can we do, yep. There we go. And that's done. So it's 13 in, 25 between, 13 up, and these are 5. We click OK and click OK. And there's our holes. Beautifully done. So the whole one, also the whole one helps in when you're doing the blueprint. Let me just do that back to normal, thank you. Now we want to go further along. Actually, let me just zoom back in. It's going to be further along, but I'll just end here so I can measure it. So we're going to go to Hole Wizard again. These are 5 still. Okay, there's still 5. Perfect. So 5 through all. Grab that one. So we want. Now you've got to be careful you don't lock onto something. So always just careful doing the middle. You don't lock on something there. That locks in. It's hard to change it later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we just put these 4 there. There we go. Now let me just zoom in a bit more. Thank you. Go sketch. That one will be 19 apart. These two will be 19 apart. Yeah, push that way. So that's why I did it that way. If I did this one next, I would push it past, and then I've got to move it, which is not a big deal, but it saves a little bit of time. 19. See? Perfect. Now, let's see. 5 mil hole, 19 apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 5 holes. Okay, let me just click that one. There we go. Our dimension. 19. Now let me just get a dimension. Just make sure these are, because there's no line there. Bank there. They're all horizontal now. Okay, so that one's done. Now it is, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's 5 holes. Now, from here to here is going to be 35.5. That's now perfect. Now from here to this hole is going to be 882.5. That's why I did here, because when you go boink, it's gone. Well, it's not gone, it's just off the screen. It's way over there. It's just easier to line up there and work there, so that's why I did that way. Oh, zoom in. There we go. So that one's done, so that's good. So now we just click OK. And OK, I'll tick tick. And that one's done. Perfect. Now, next one. Next one is going to be not tricky. There is a problem with it. Either I'm misreading it, or there's a measurement missing. But before we do that one, let's do that one. No, let's do another one first. So we want to go hole. There is hole. This one's going to be 6 mil. It's going to be 6. And it's going to be just one of them. Oh, okay, position. Click once on the surface you want, and click once. And that's all I need. Just one hole. Smart dimension is going to be center to the bottom there. It's going to be 20. Yep, 20. Then from this center right to the end, which is, ooh, come on, you can do it. There we go. Oh, I missed. There we go. It's going to be 155.5. And that's it. So that's all we need. There's just one hole, correct? Yep. And that's going to be OK and OK. There we go. Now in here somewhere, This is a good spot. That's why I done that, by the way, I wasn't too close. So let's go hole wizard again. You can do like sketching and you know, on the holes and that, which this way is a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. Okay, so this is what, size 5, so this is 5 mil. So we need to go back to 5. Oh, 5, thank you. That's 5. Yes, it is 5. Go here. Yeah, actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 holes. So 5 mil, 1 hole, 6 mil. So do the 5 mil first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's gonna be right up there. Now, if you've done this through the sketching and done circles, you can do all this in one go. But I prefer to do single size holes as one group. So, okay, before we go further, let me go to sketching. Sorry, let me grab those 3. Those gonna be vertical. Grab these 3. It's gonna be vertical. Grab these 2. Gonna be vertical. The top 2 gonna be horizontal. Middle 2 horizontal, and the bottom 2 horizontal. Notice nothing moved as I put them in the lines like lined up for you. You can line things up, but doesn't lock it in place. So you can be gone that. There's no horizontal on that one. Okay, now let's go dimension. So it's gonna be. Let me zoom in a bit. These 2 is gonna be 16. These 2 gonna be 16. Now, these 2 gonna be 16 as well. Now, this one to this one is gonna be 8. Beautiful. Now, this one to this one. Yeah, 16. And the center of this one to this one is going to be 16. Okay, so that's all done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's press escape once. I'm just going to drag this down. There we go. Because I need the distance there. If you have a bar, well, it's going to put it upwards. So you need this the way it's facing. So dimension top to there, it's going to be 9.5. There we go. That should be everything there. So we've got 16, 16. We've got 8, we've got 16. We put these 16 this side. So 16, 16, 16, 16, 8. Yep, that looks good. Now, it said there's no dimension that I can see where it shows how far this is. We should be able to work this out later, so I'm not too worried about that for now. As we start assembling, we should be able to work something out, so that's fine. Okay, now we go hole wizard again, but this time we want 6 mil. You probably can do a 5 mil, 6 mil together on the same one. I prefer not to, just so there's no conflict. Okay. So one there, beautiful. Smart dimension. Now from this hole to this hole. Thank you. See, it puts I clicked on the circumference, but it puts in the center automatically. That's going to be 20 mil. Center that one to the top. Yeah, top. It's going to be 11 mil. And that should be it. So whole set, the 2 dimensions set. Okay and okay. There we go. Now with this, as I said, we can't really slide back and forth. We can go in there settings and change it, so that's fine. It works out good. So that is that section done. Quick save. Now we need, once it's saved, let me just double check on this, make sure I didn't miss any holes. So we've done the single one, done that one, done the group of 5, and we've done the group of 2. Yes, so all those holes are done. Okay. Now if we go to top, oh, I really wish it goes sideways. I don't know why it does that. No, it doesn't. It is what it is. So we're going to go down here. We're going to grab one hole here. We'll use hole wizard again. Let's see, hole wizard. Oh, sorry. I'm in sketch, aren't I? Hole wizard. Now, before I do that, you can go into sketch and you just use circles and do same pretty much what I've done there, but you got to put a number on the circle. If you've got multiple circles, you make them equal. So if you want me to do a quick video on that, let me know. I can do some little quick videos on that, but right now this drill hole wizard is the best way to do it. It's going to be 8. It's going to be 8. 8 mil. Now, click on there. Click on there. Now, the thing is, this is going to be up to next. It's not going all the way through. It's not going all the way through, this one. So, it is going to be... So, from the circle center to there, it's going to be 25.5. And there's a curve this side, but it's not this side. So from this edge to the circle center, that's going to be 12.5. And see, it's just going through the first piece, not the second piece. Yep, they go through once. So then we go to click OK, and done. There you go. Beautiful. Right, next ones. We've got 1, 2, 3. Actually the same size. Okay, so we can actually go back in here. Edit that. Oh, probably do. Normalize. Thank you. I didn't look ahead. The next 3 holes are the same size. So with that, I can actually add them in. There we go. So 8, they don't go through, do they? No, they do not. So that's good. So what I can do is go, and they line up, don't they? Yes, they do. So 1, 2, 3, measurement. That's going to be 100. Actually, before going further, 1, 2, 3, and 4 make horizontal. That way I don't have to try and find that one again later. Okay, smart. Whoop, smart. Thank you. Okay, it's going to be 100. Oop. Yeah, see how it went that way? So actually, I wonder if we click on this one, does that make a difference? Yeah, it helps the way head. Click that one and that one. Oh, let me delete that one. Thank you. Click that one, 100. Nope. Let's see if that makes a difference. So now let me click on this one and this one, 100. No, it doesn't. Okay, doesn't matter. Or you click in, it doesn't matter which way they go. That's fine. We just slide up. So if that happens, just grab it and slide up because they already set. So that's fine. Now we want this one to this one is going to be 203. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 100, 100. Let me get that one. Thank you. 203, and then we click OK, and those holes are done. There you go. See? Beautiful. Okay, let's just normalize that one again. Let's go towards the last hole we put in. Now that's going to be where 1, 2, 3, 6 mil, 5 mil, 6 mil. Okay, so we've got a 6 mil hole, 4 5mm holes and 6mm hole. What we can do, put 2 6mm holes in singly or together, and then put the 5mm holes in. So I might do the 2 6mm holes. Actually, let me do the 5mm holes first. Put that down. Okay, hole wizard. 5mm, yep, 5mm. I just want to make sure. There we go. Put that one there. Now this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this the holes already set, so you don't need to measure it. Oh, you don't need to smart dimension it. Let me just zoom that in. Those two are going to be 30. While going further, let me just map these out to vertical. There we go. Beautiful. Smart dimension. 30. Oh, that's close, but far enough away I can do that. 30. So, yep, they all 30. Now, before we go further, let me do this side. That's going to be 11. There we go. Now, from this hole to the last one we've done down there, it's going to be... Why didn't it work? There we go. It's going to be 112. There we go. And that should be good. Okay, so that's done. Beautiful. Oh, done. Okay, so that's 5mm holes. Hole wizard. We want to go 6. There we go, 6. Position. 1 there. And we'll shove that one up there for now. So we go measure, actually not measurement. They line up, they are the same. Yes, they are. So they're the same distance from the edge, so we'll do horizontal. Vertical. So it's done. Smart dimension is going to be, I think it's 10mm, wasn't it? Yeah, 10mm. 10mm from the edge. Now, this one to this. Oh, what happened? Oh, somewhere. What happened there? 10mm. Thank you. Oh. There we go. Be tricky at times. Oh, I made a boo-boo. Hold on. Let me just go out of that. Come back to that one in a minute. Actually, I can cancel that one. That's fine. We go on that one because I made boo-boo. Oh, on. I didn't cancel that one. Yeah, that one. This is one I want, sorry. 5mm one. Because 112 is wrong. Oh. It's 112 plus 111.5. There we go. Probably adjust that other hole up there on that one. So I did 112. It's 112 from the 6mm hole to the 5mm hole. That's why I had to add the other one on. So get out that one. Beautiful. Shrink that one down. Open that one back up. There we go. That's better. Let's go there. And we don't need to add any holes in. And what's that? 111. $111.5. There we go. That's better. Now it should be this one here to here should be 112. There you go, 112. Perfect. I don't need to put that in there because it's already set. Now we need to move this one up. Thank you. Now that one is 110. 110, and that one's done. Okay, and okay. There we go. And they are not through. Let me double check on that. Ooh. Okay, I made boo-boo. No worries. Make boo-boo so you can learn. Now, this one, these four here, they are supposed to be all the way through. Don't expand that. So go there. Through all. Let me just double check that. 5. Yes, through all. Okay. There we go. That's how, if you realize you've done something wrong, just go and change that one thing, and there you go. You got through all. Okay, so we got that one done. Got that one done. 3 others we've got to do. I think there is towards the end. Yes, there is. So, quick save. Normal 2. Beautiful. And we want here. So now we got to go to hole. This is going to be 5 mil, which is already there. Excellent. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4. So click on that one once. That selects that one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just zoom in. Press escape once. It stops adding more circles. So select the centers, holding down the shift key, and horizontal. There we go. Now smart dimension. Before you do anything, this is going to be 11 out. There we go. It's going to be 30. 30. And 30. There we go. Now that's going to be from the end here to the center of that one. It's going to be 112.5. Yep. And done. Now they go all the way through. They're all the way through. So click on that once. Go back to type. Through all. You just double check that. Yes, they do. They go all the way through. So okay. You just put that there. There we go. And so we got the top holes are done. Look big. What size were they? They were 8, weren't they? Those are bigger. Oh, they're 8. Yep. Never hurts to double check if something don't look right. Yeah, they were 8. So we've got the top holes done. Got side holes done. We've got some of the bottom holes done. They're double. Now we need to do the bottom one of the holes that are just through one side only. So let me click on that. Go to normal. Okay, that's fine. We're going to start. We'll start doing the bottom here. I just want to see which way that slope was. I didn't want to start wrong end, so normal 2, beautiful. You know, that will go away the 4 holes there. So let me just slide my technical drawing over to the end there. Where are we? We got that one. So now we need to add 2 holes in, and these are not going all the way through. So go to hole wizard. Again, that one is just going to be 8 mil. If you ever find out you've done the wrong size hole, and these are going to be up to next. If you ever find that you do the wrong size hole, you always go back and adjust it again, like I showed before. So that's no problems. So it's not like you need to redo everything. Okay, so we want 1, 2 measurement. They're going to be, where are they? 51 apart. 51. 51, beautiful. And that's going to be 23 from this one. 23.5 actually. 23.5, but it's going to be 8 from the curved side. Oop. There we go. Oop. No worries. If I do this one, and go bing, there you go, fix the problem. And that's just going through, it's lined up, that lines up with that one's above there, perfect, so that's looking good. So click OK, click OK. Oh, no, I thought I broke something, I didn't realize how much it spun around. Hold on. Oh, nope. I made a mistake. I'm thinking that shouldn't be that close. Okay, made a mistake. Going there, going there. There's not 8. I looked at the 8 sides of the hole, so the width of the... Oh, what's this thing again? 25.5. This is actually halfway, so what you should do is go 25.5 divided by 2 equals 12.75. So that's in center. Another way you can do it too, you got this, you can pick up the center there, you see the white dot pick up, so you can always line that up with that, and that's another way you can do it. This way there you can adjust with the measurement. So it's down to preference. I prefer to do measurements. Sometimes I will do it that way. Okay, so I missed. There we go. That's better. That's better. Cause I think, why is that so close to the edge? Yeah. Now it seems like this is bigger this side, that side, but don't forget you got a curve there too, so that's no big deal. Okay, so let's now go actually, let's just see, do we have, we've got the 4 holes we've already done. That's those 4 there. Let me just go normal. So we've got those 4, but we've got 2 more here. So they're going to be size 8 again, and they're going to be not all the way through. So hole wizard, 8 up to next position. Click once to highlight that, and then 1, 2. Smart, actually, we do smart direct. Always do this that way. Done. They are lined up. Yes, they are. Smart dimension. It's going to be these 2. It's going to be 88. Give me that one. Thank you. Now, was it 25.5? So it's going to be halfway. So smart dimension. 25.5 divided by 2 and halfway. Beautiful. So we want that one to that one is going to be, where are we? 249 and gone. There it is up there. So I just do that. I always do it like this, but then you got to try and work out exactly where you're hitting. That's why I zoom in. Now I put the measurement and zooms up there. It just makes it easier because you're closer in. Okay, so that's part size, so everything's done there. So we can go OK and OK. And that does not go through. It does not go through the second piece. So normal. Okay, so next 2, or let's see what next ones are. Not there. That one's hidden. We've done that one. So we've got 4 holes left. And they are 8 mils. So we can actually do this. We're going to start from this end. You can do it from either way. Measurements are there, so. But we're going to do it from here. 8 mil and a halfway. So, old wizard. 8 mil up to next, because these do not go through. They went through, we would have done the other side, so. But never hurts double check. Okay, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just zoom in. Press escape once just to stop putting more holes in. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is vertical, beautiful. Now, 2 of these are 38 inches apart. 38 millimeters apart. 38. 38. These 2 are 266. Apart. Bang, down there, that's fine. Because we lined up them vertically, we don't need to adjust them down there anymore. But this is going to be 25.5 divided by 2, 12.75, so there's center. Not too sure, just do it this way again, 12.75, see? Exact same number, so you know it's center. And from the end of here to that hole there, nope. .75, I went one too far back. Undoing, so some reason there we go. That's 159.5. And we got hole there, which is past there. That's beautiful, so that's lined up. Just look at the diagram there. And okay, and okay. So that should be it. You just spin this around. There you go, that'll do. So we've got holes there, beautiful. Holes there, so that should be everything on there. So that is the left hand side rail done. So thank you for coming along, hope you enjoyed the episode. This is a little bit longer, this one, because there's a lot of work in here. So hope you enjoying this. This is the start of a new series, so we will be building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. I'm looking forward to this. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Now, thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed the episode, please click that like button. Leave comments below. Got any questions, not too sure on something, think I could have done something different, you want me to clarify something, ask below. So leave comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It does help me out. You get notification when more comes out. So thank you again. I'll see you next episode, and thank you very much.